All right. Third try. Third try is the charm. Um, just so you know, I finished the saucer picture. Actually, not that one. This one, you'll see that the smoke is bigger on this one. Somebody gave me the notion that it should expand as it gets bigger and taller, which I think is correct. But yeah, I did it. I don't work in color very often, but this was a lot of fun to do actually. And I used the Epic Pastel set, which is from Itai Monero, to do my background, and then I just kind of inked over the top of it, and it worked out great. This is what it looks like without ink. It just looks like that, and I was able to sort of add details in. Where's this one? One of these is wrong. There it is. And I'm going to use this on future projects as well. But if that's done, what next, right? So what's next is we got to figure out what our next comic is. And I had an idea of using two characters of mine from Scarab Force, which is Moonstone and Onyx. Onyx is a giant, powerful robot. Well, I say giant. He's a Hulk-like, powerful robot. And then Moonstone is a super science character. And here they are on a rooftop right here. They're setting up some equipment to study some kind of scientific phenomenon that's going on, and they've got some kind of scientific device here. Think of them as almost like the Fantastic Four characters. Whoops. I think I'm using up too much space for the bricks and not enough for them, so I want to get them down here at the bottom. There we go. And the idea is they're having a conversation that reveals that the plot is some kind of mysterious signal that's been appearing. And then Moonstone explains that he's got a device, a handheld device, that he's going to use to track the signal. And just as this is happening, there's a flash of light and two mysterious alien figures appear. So that's the page. And then up here we've got the title, whatever that is going to be. My hope is that we've got enough room to do the whole thing. And we might have to do all kinds of things. But our vanishing point, our perspective lines, we're actually looking up at them. This is kind of the edge of some kind of building. And these are our pencil lines. That's why they're faint. Okay. So I know that this is our new layer. This is Moonstone's helmet. It's got integrated goggles. I can actually show you a little bit of this. I came up with these characters several years ago. So this is my original design for them, and I'm going to redraw them. But there's Moonstone, right? And then this is Onyx, this giant robot guy. And I think it's important that Onyx maintains the big, crazy spear-like nose and these shoulder things and these big hands, which I'm going to change up a little bit. But Moonstone, helmet with goggles. Okay. 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 We need to come up with some ideas for this piece of technology here. I need to finish out our Moonstone's costume, and I'm not tied to the costume that I came up with before. I kind of want to keep the belts. There's another comic I did with these same characters, and I got to find out what I did with it. I'm not sure where it ended up. Anyway, I'm going to keep going. Please like, follow, subscribe, and we'll be doing comics for every day. And at least I've got a page and a story started. This is starting from scratch. I don't even have a full script yet. I just have the idea. Scientific technology, kidnapping our robot friend, and then our other character using science and knowledge goes off and rescue. Okay? All right. Stay tuned. Talk to you later.